Oh yeah, there's a fight right in front of us, 12 low. Russian's rear guy. Going in on him.
I don't see it. Oh, I see it.
My lights, oh I'm not putting the lights on, I can't fuck. Tracers is Russian.
Yep, I see it.
He's absolutely fucked. He got absolutely railed.
Yeah. Okay.
Holy shit!
What did you do? Did you like both engage him?
There's another one low. Climbing up right is Russian on my 6. Gone.
Nice. His wing is off.
These gun pods, man, are fucking sexual.
Yeah.
Is there a guy in a tree? There's a guy in a tree.
Dead.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I killed. I shot him.
Get the storm teams away from the shipment.
Is unacceptable.
Game is so shit.
To the right, slowly as the credit.
Oh! Fucking hell. Fucking turn before he fires again. Distract him.
I'll distract him.
No. Don't go in my torps. Turn right.
I'm turning right.
Fucking hell. Fuck. Get out of there.
Oh! Shad Torps.
He's dead. Wow, that shit, man.
That is hell of a maneuver.
I haven't rendered.
He gets sheep mixed.
I'm gonna record that, holy fuck. That was insane.
That was
Not toggle maps.
You're a little cunt, you know? I know exactly what you're doing. You and your fucking speed.
Sorry, what? I can't hear you.
Oh, yeah, fucking.
I can't hear you over being Darth
You are no
Vader.
friend of mine.
Know the power of the dark side.
You return to combat. That's the door that leads to combat.
Should have been the Emperor. It's amazing on this map. Surprise, cockfags.
Oh, I'm just getting wrecked in there. Fucking ass right.
There is no defense.
Return to combat. No.
Just
No.
fucking like.
Help. Open the door,
Range.
someone. Someone open the door.
I can't part of start because of the door. I'm here.
Force is my weapon.
Someone
Oh,
open the
shit.
door.
Oh, we were on the wrong side of the door.
Yes, I know.
Well, they have to get in there to open the door. What the fuck?
I ran in when it was open.
Oh,
Flying in an epic formation.
I can't even move.
Oh
You just
god.
dropped your bomb, Nanny. What the fuck?
Whoops.
What the fuck?
Why? How did that?
My keybinds for autopilot and bomb are right next to each other.
Fucking hell. Buy a random piece of fucking Russian
Well, you have a
countryside.
couple more, so we're good.
Oops.
I think we won.
Yes, I think we did.